Let me see. Let me see them. So this is just for you to learn also and know that there are more creatures in the bush also. And if you have time, you can spend more time in the bush and you're gonna see things, okay? But note, have an animal like a dog that can, they see better than us in bush. You understand? You got nothing, black boy. Keep hunting. Stop being lazy. Wow, the big boy is done with rat and moving to another one. Whoa, I think he got something, got something there, got something, I think. Yeah, got it. Wow, got another one. Look at it. Look at it. Can you see its mouth? Okay, let me try to give it a close view. Wow, this got two, no? This one got nothing. Wow. Look at it. Can you see it? Wow. This one kind of dangerous than the two. Muffy. Loves playing. Okay, let me have my seat on this rock, on this block. Can you see it? So I'm having my seat so I can just take a grand views of everywhere. Daddy! Okay, it's coming to stay near me, as security. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, it's kind of wow. I'll miss you. Okay, stay calm, stay calm, stay calm. Stay calm, stay calm. Yeah, go down. I'll flag you. Don't wanna go down. Let me see it. Big boy, how are you? Can you see? This Murphy. Look at his face. This Murphy. Yeah, stay calm, stay calm. It's Murphy and this Teddy. Murphy, look at the camera. Look at the camera, Teddy. Can you look at the camera? Wow. The Multendros is there. It's still eating on its rats. Okay. I think the first bush we went with kind of, bushy than this one, because I can see houses, but up it's just closed. A lot of grass. Look at its eye. You can see it's staying near me because it's have to secure me. You understand? You have to be with me in case there's any. Wow, guys, did you see that? Did you see what this, how easy it is? Caught another one at same spot. This is damn dangerous. Wow, can you see that? Okay, they had a dog barking and they are about going there to check. I think this black one don't have much idea about hunting, because mostly I do take these two, the two brain one over there, this one and this one. I do take them to the bush mostly, and I keep this black one at home. You know, when I'm in the bush, it's always at home, because it's the kind of dog that I think has more action when being at home than in the bush. So that's why, you know, decide to